Hello, friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to report someone in Discord. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that in Discord app, we cannot report someone. So we need to go to any browser and search for support. Discord.com and click on Discord support over here. Now, we need to click on this 3-line icon over here. So let's tap on this and click on submit the request. And click on this blank and click on help and support. Now, we can see this. Here, we need to write our email address, with which we have opened our Discord account. Now, type of your question. Now click on General Question and write your subject. Now, you can actually write a problem here, and if you want to add any files, or any attachments or screenshots, you can add it here. Now, simply click on Submit, then your request will be submitted. So this is how you can report someone in Discord. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.